Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a very nice emoji that is different in shape. Let's start the drawing. It's like we are drawing a U and the U is upside down. Okay. Now we are connecting it with a little bit curved line at the bottom. Okay. We're going to draw the tongue here, the eyes, and the lips. This is going to be a dark black color. We're going to fill up this place with a dark pencil, also the middle of this space. Okay, and this one is going to be red. Right, the red color for the tongue. All right, let's put the highlighter and color the inside of the other spaces inside this drawing. Okay, so the drawing is complete. You can see the highlighter has the full drawing here, and it just covered the whole area. This is a very simple and easy drawing. Please subscribe our channel, and you can have lots of options. If you browse through the playlist, then you can select different categories. You can have your own choices and learn the drawings very easily. I hope the drawing is very good and you are going to practice. Thank you so much. Have a good day.